Many T-Mobile gateway users encounter frustrating admin password issues that prevent them from accessing their device settings. These problems have become increasingly common due to enhanced security protocols and frequent firmware updates. T-Mobile uses several different gateway models, each with their own specific characteristics and potential password issues. The most common models include the Nokia 5G21, Arcadian KVD21, Sagem-Com Fast 5688W, and the newer Inseego FX2000. There are four main causes of T-Mobile gateway password issues. First, enhanced security protocols implemented in recent updates have made authentication more complex. Second, firmware updates can change password requirements or reset credentials. Third, default password schemes vary between device batches and firmware versions. Finally, certain browsers may not properly handle the login interface. T-Mobile gateways use a hierarchical authentication system with 4 distinct access levels. Understanding these levels helps explain why some users can access basic settings while others cannot reach administrative functions. Browser compatibility plays a crucial role in gateway access. Different browsers have varying success rates when connecting to the admin interface. Chrome typically has the highest success rate at 98%, followed by Edge at 94%, Firefox at 95%, and Safari at 89%. Factory reset is the most common solution for gateway password issues, resolving approximately 87% of admin access problems. This becomes necessary when firmware conflicts occur, when multiple failed login attempts trigger security lockouts, or when default credentials have been changed and forgotten. Understanding these password issues is the first step toward resolution. Remember that different gateway models have unique characteristics. Security protocols continue to evolve, and browser choice can impact your success. In most cases, these issues can be resolved through proper troubleshooting methods. The most common solution is the standard password reset. Start by locating the reset button on your T-Mobile gateway. The reset button is usually recessed on the back or bottom of the device. Hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds while the gateway is powered on. For older gateway models, try the 30-30-30 reset method. This involves holding the reset button for 30 seconds in 3 different power states. The T-Mobile Internet app provides a convenient alternative. Download the app, log in with your account credentials, and look for gateway management options. As a last resort, contact T-Mobile technical support. Call 1-844-275-9310 and request a remote gateway reset after verifying your account. Try these methods in order. Standard reset first, then the 30-30-30 method for older models, followed by the mobile app, and finally customer service. Most password issues resolve with the standard reset method.